Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we are talking about short haircut ideas for older women. If you are thinking about changing your hairstyle or trying something fresh and easy, this video is for you. Short haircut can look stylish, modern and very easy to manage. They can also make you feel lighter, more confident and comfortable every day. Many women over 50 and 60 and even 70 love short hairstyles because they save time and still look beautiful. Short hair can also give more volume to thin hair and make fine hair look fuller. The best thing is that there are so many styles to choose from, whether you like soft and classic looks or modern and trendy cuts. There is a perfect short hairstyles for everyone. Let's start with the classic pixie cut. The pixie cut is one of the most popular short hairstyles for older women. It is simple, elegant and easy to style. Some women like a soft pixie with side swept bangs, while others prefer a layered pixie for more texture and volume. This haircut works very well for thin and fine hair because the layers can make the hair look thicker. Another beautiful idea is the short bob haircut. The bob never goes out of fashion. Chin length bob looks classy and suits many face shapes. You can wear it straight, wavy or slightly curled. A layered bob is also a great option because it gives movement and makes hair look fuller. Many women love this hairstyle because it is easy to care for and looks neat all day. Now let's talk about the textured crop haircut. This style is modern and stylish. It has soft layers and texture that creates a youthful look. It is perfect for women who want a fashionable hairstyle without spending too much time styling it. You can simply use a little hair cream or mousse to shape the hair in the morning. For women with naturally curly or wavy hair, short curly hairstyles can look amazing. A short curly bob hair or layered curly pixie can make curls look soft and lively. Curly hair has natural volume, so short curly styles often look fresh and fun. You can also add side bangs for a softer look around the face. Grey hair also look wonderful with short hairstyles. Many women today proudly show their natural grey or silver hair. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.